Red banana, Musa acuminata times balbiziana hybrid, is a tropical banana variety distinguished by its reddish-purple skin, sweet flavor, and creamy texture. Unlike the common yellow Cavendish banana, red bananas have a slightly shorter, thicker form and a unique coloration that ranges from deep red to purplish hues when fully ripe. This exotic banana variety is cultivated mainly in Central America, Southeast Asia, and East Africa, as well as select tropical regions worldwide, and is valued both for its taste and nutritional profile. Botanically, red bananas belong to the genus Musa and are hybrids between Musa acuminata and Musa balbiziana. The plants grow on perennial herbaceous trees that can reach heights of 4 to 6 meters, with large, broad leaves providing shade and photosynthetic surface. Red banana fruit develops in clusters called hands, with each hand containing multiple individual bananas. The skin is thicker than that of yellow bananas, with a slight waxy texture that protects the delicate inner flesh from damage and disease. The flavor of red bananas is notably sweeter and richer than conventional yellow bananas, with subtle raspberry or berry-like undertones. The flesh is creamy, soft, and slightly denser than Cavendish bananas, making it ideal for both fresh eating and culinary applications. Texturally, red bananas hold up well in smoothies, desserts, and baking, offering a luxurious mouthfeel. When ripe, the fruit skin may show spots of darker red or brown, indicating optimal sweetness and readiness for consumption. Historically, red bananas have been cultivated for centuries in tropical regions, with records suggesting their presence in Southeast Asia long before European colonization. They spread along trade routes to Africa, Central and South America, and the Caribbean, where they became integrated into local cuisines and agricultural practices. In many cultures, red bananas are considered a premium fruit, often preferred for special occasions or festive dishes due to their rich flavor and appealing color. Nutritionally, red bananas are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. The fruit's antioxidants, including beta-carotene and lutein, contribute to eye health, immune support, and reduced oxidative stress. Red bananas are lower in calories than many desserts, providing a naturally sweet, nutrient-dense option for snacking, baking, or smoothies. Their high potassium content supports cardiovascular health and proper muscle function, while fiber promotes digestive wellness. Culinary uses for red bananas are versatile. They are consumed fresh, often peeled and eaten as a snack or added to fruit salads. Their natural sweetness enhances smoothies, puddings, and parfaits. Red bananas can be baked, grilled, or roasted, developing an even richer flavor profile. In some tropical cuisines, they are used in desserts, compotes, jams, or as a sweet side dish to complement savory meals. The creamy texture also allows them to replace common yellow bananas in recipes, providing an exotic twist. Cultivation of red bananas requires tropical climates with consistent warmth, high humidity, and well-drained soils. Plants thrive in full to partial sun exposure and require protection from strong winds, which can damage the leaves and fruit clusters. They are moderately susceptible to pests and diseases, including Panama disease, banana bunchy top virus, and nematodes. Sustainable agricultural practices, such as organic fertilization, intercropping, and integrated pest management, help maintain tree health and optimize fruit yield. Red banana plants generally produce fruit after 9 to 12 months of planting, with multiple harvest cycles possible depending on climate and care. Commercially, red bananas are considered a specialty fruit. They are marketed fresh in tropical regions, premium grocery stores, and international export markets. Packaging and handling are essential to prevent bruising, as the delicate flesh is prone to damage. Their striking reddish-purple hue makes them visually appealing for culinary presentations, fruit baskets, and gourmet dishes, further boosting their market demand. Ecologically, red banana plants contribute to biodiversity by providing habitat and food for insects, birds, and small mammals. Their flowers attract pollinators, while the fruit is a source of nutrition for local wildlife. Sustainable cultivation practices are increasingly adopted to preserve environmental balance, ensure long-term productivity, and maintain the genetic diversity of banana varieties, which is crucial for resilience against pests, diseases, and climate change. In conclusion, the red banana is a visually stunning and nutritionally valuable tropical fruit. Its reddish-purple skin, sweet creamy flesh, and subtle berry-like undertones make it a favorite among fruit enthusiasts, chefs, and health-conscious consumers. With a rich historical background, diverse culinary applications, and significant nutritional benefits, the red banana stands out as both an exotic delicacy and a versatile ingredient. From fresh eating to gourmet recipes and tropical desserts, this banana variety continues to captivate taste buds and enrich tropical fruit culture worldwide.